Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The US economy grew at the slowest pace in 5 months in July, a pair of S&P surveys showed, and pointed to weaker conditions later in the year. The S&P Flash US Services Sector Index fell to 52.4 from 54.4 in the prior month. Crypto exchanges Binance, Huobi, Bybit and OKX are rushing to list WorldCoin's WLD token, which went live yesterday. WorldCoin is the much-hyped crypto project of ChatGPT founder Sam Altman. French-Italian automaker Stellantis and South Korean battery maker Samsung SDI on Monday said they plan to open a second joint venture plant in the US to build electric vehicle batteries, with a target to start production in 2027.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.